All right, so we're at the Orange Julep, and let's see. Montreal's known for cars. Let's see what we can see today. We're gonna do the Orange Julep, then we're gonna go hit up Epicure right there, and let's see what we can see. All right, so nothing cool here. We're gonna move on across the street. I was hoping there'd at least be one or two things. There's this guy though. So next stop, behind that bus is the next stop. So let's go.
Spent my whole life wanna be, till I found out what they all wanna be. They wanna be me. They wanna be I. They wanna pull up in the big ride. They wanna cross the globe, 5-star in Dubai. They wanna have houses, oversized couches, 100-inch screen, recessed, flush mounted. They wanna have a pool, they wanna feel cool in their own lane, doing something new. They wanna be me. Who doesn't wanna? $1 million home in their 20s. Who doesn't want to? Travel around the globe, getting money. Who doesn't want to? Have no job, no boss. Who doesn't want to? Walk out the crib to a Porsche. Who doesn't want to? Live life their way, their rules. Who doesn't want a Caribbean house by the coast? Who doesn't want to? Park their cars in their own courtyard. Who doesn't want to? Live life doing the most. Who doesn't want to? Be like. In a world where everyone is sad and stressed, I'm in a Maserati and I'm at my best. I live my life how I want, and I'm the only one not stressed. I got this. Happier than the in the mosh pit. Life a crime, still on my fuck the cop shit. You say I'm a criminal, why I never been caught, bitch? You all need therapy while I'm living happy, yet you think I have the problem in your pointless life, that's crappy. I'll never be normal, cause I've always been special. I'm a different species, a little more complex, bro. We not in the same lane, we not in the same league. We not even on the same planet. I'm the only me. Myself,
So it's like, bought a police car.